nieces and nephews, I'm back. It's been a rumble, stumbles, crumbles week, okay? But I am back, and welcome back to Auntie Nell's Kitchen. And to my new nieces and nephews, welcome to the family. Lots of love to all of you. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, today, as I gave my word to my Filipino followers, I am going to make the Filipino Adobo chicken. So right now I am going to assemble my marinade because I like all of my meat to marinate overnight. And so I will just get up early in the morning to get this done because I also have to make my ube cake. Had a couple of family emergencies this week, so I'm just getting around to it. But guys, you know I keep my word, all right? So let's do a flip and a swip. We're going to get started. Hey, guys, now you know I never marinate my meat in a bowl. I get these 2.5 gallon bags. I love these. This is what I use to marinate my meat. So I have 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now, don't use chicken breasts. Use chicken thighs because you see that fat around here. You need that fat. Anytime you like with orange chicken, things like some recipes is called for chicken. You need use the thigh meat because it has more flavor. Number one, and you need that fat in there. You do need that. Okay, I'm going to use 1/2 cup of soy sauce. My sweet sauce. Now, I found this because there was someone else on YouTube said if I could get you this is please forgive me. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Datu puti, and it's spice vinegar. And let me show you. It doesn't look like it in this bottle, but this is what the spice vinegar looks like, and it smells good too. I have 1 tablespoon. Oh, I'm sorry. I have 1/3 cup of the spice vinegar. You can also order this if you can't get to a market, an Asian market, because I got this at my Asian market. They sell everything. And 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 3 dried bay leaves. If you're using the fresh bay leaves, you would use 4, but these are dried. I don't buy the fresh bay leaves because I won't use them enough, and that'd be a waste of money. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me get a glove. You know I don't touch meat. All right, now I am going to open up this bag here, and I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken in first, okay? And I did wash my chicken with baking soda and lime juice. So you can use lemon or lime juice. As long as it's a citrus juice that's going to activate that baking soda. And, you rinse it real well. And then your chicken don't smell like chicken. It smells nice and fresh. I'm telling you, you'll see a difference. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now my board will be washed and cleaned with bleach solution. Okay, so throw this over here for a little housekeeping. Now I'm going to pour in my soy sauce. Do not use dark soy sauce. I can show you. There's a difference in soy sauces. This is my premium dark soy sauce. It brings things to a dark color. And this is my regular soy sauce. Okay? So use regular soy sauce. I'm going to pour my soy sauce in here. A little housekeeping over there. I'm going to pour my spice vinegar. Our minced garlic, and my bay leaves. Now, I'm going to take this and zip it up. Take the air out. Okay. And I'm going to swish this around. And I want this to marinate overnight. I'm making sure that all my thighs get saturated. Yes. This is what I'm going to do. Hopefully this will fit. Yep. And see, I'm just going to, that's why I use this. And then I put this in a bowl to squeeze the air out. Okay, and this is, I'm going to leave this in here for overnight. Now I'm going to be moving on. I got to set up my ingredients for my ube cake. Yes, I have. Hold on. So I got, this is good. This ube jam. It's good on buttered toast. I'm telling you. And I have my ube extract, so I'm going to be setting up for that cake in a moment. And so I will be one busy girl tomorrow. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna put this in the fridge overnight, and so it'd be nice and marinated. Okay, so until tomorrow, family, my nieces and nephews, my lovelies, I will see you guys tomorrow, and we will complete our adobo chicken with Filipino rice. So I'm going to be making that as well to go with this adobo chicken. Haven't decided on a veggie yet. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Love you. Hugs and kisses to each of you. Bye-bye. No, see you later.